Namaste children, welcome back to 8th English class, Unit 5, Prose Being Safe. Last class we learned Section 1, some road rules. We learned last class. What are the rules we learned? Cross the road on zebra crossing. Then where do you walk on which side of the road should you walk? Which side we want to walk? Can you say? Yes, we should walk on our right hand side against the traffic. Then how to cross the road? How to cross the road? First we should look right, then left, then again right, and then cross the road. Okay children, today we are going to learn Being Safe, Section 2. Here also some general information regarding your health. Okay children. Section 2. Prasad. Hi friends. Murthy. Hi, we have come here to play under the shade of this big neem tree. Here some friends or Prasad, his grandpa and his friends come outside to play. So Prasad, hi friends, he is wishing, seeing our friends, yeah, we are say hi, hello, some greetings. Hi friends. Murthy, hi, we have come here to play under the shade of this big neem tree. Why they have come there, can you say? Yes, they have come there to play. Where they want to play? Under the shade of this big neem tree. They had come to play under the shade of a big neem tree. Can you say neem tree? What is neem tree? Vepai Mara. It is a medicinal plant. Playing under the neem tree is very good for health. Here, Prasad and his friends, they had come to play under the shade of a big neem tree. Okay, children? Grandpa. Yes, kids. You need to be very careful as the sun is scorching. What is scorching? Scorching means extremely hot. Grandpa is saying, my dear children, you need to be very careful as the sun is scorching. When the sun is extremely hot, you have to be very careful. Okay, Mani, my mother has instructed me not to roam in sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. as it is very hot. Another friend of Prashant named Mani, he is saying his mother had instructed. What his mother instructed? Mani's mother had instructed him not to roam in the sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Why? Because it is very hot. Okay? You have also follow this instruction during the especially during the summer season. You are not allowed to roam in the sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Why? Because sun is extremely hot that time. Who instructed this? Mani's mother had instructed him not to roam. Roam means wander here and there in sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Why? Because it is very hot. Can you say the abbreviation for AM? Antemedium. What is PM? Postmedium. Okay. Grandpa, that is true. But you also need more physical activities. Hence, play safely in the sun. Take breaks by going indoors or moving to place with shade. Hearing this, Grandpa told Mani's mother had instructed him not to roam in the sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Hearing this, Grandpa told that is very correct, that is true. But you also need more physical activities. It is true only. You should not go in the sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. because it is extremely hot. But children, you need physical activities. Hence, play safely in the sun. So, you should play, but you have to follow some safety measures. Take breaks. Some tips grandpa is giving. Take breaks by going indoors. While playing in the sun, you have to take some breaks and go inside, or moving to places with shade. While playing, you have to stay under the shade of some trees. Sam, can we put on sunscreen before going out in the sun? Another boy asked, his name is Sam, can we put on? Put on means wear. Can we put on sunscreen? What is sunscreen? A cream or lotion rubbed on the skin to protect it from the sun. வெயில் விளையாட போகுന്നதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம உடம்பில் ஒரு க்ரீமோ லோஷனோ தேய்க்கும், அதுதான் சன்ஸ்க்ரீன். ஓகே, Sam is asking, can we put on sunscreen before going out in the sun because they have to protect their skin from the extreme hotness. So Sam is asking, shall we apply some sunscreen before going out in the sun? Grandpa, yes, you need to put on the sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before going out to avoid sunburn. For that, grandpa is saying, before going outside in extreme sun, you have to apply that sunscreen. When you have to apply? Before 15 or 20 minutes before going outside. Why? To avoid sunburn. What is, children, sunburn? Because of the exposure of the sun, we will get some burns or some difficulties. That is sunburn. Prashant, Grandpa, I am feeling exhausted. Hearing this, Prashant is saying, Tata, I am feeling exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. என்னால் முடியல, I am very tired. Grandpa, oh, it may be due to the heat. For that, grandpa is saying, maybe due to heat only you are very tired. When the body cannot cool itself fast enough, we may get heat sunstroke. Sometimes our body cannot cool itself. Sometimes our body takes some measures to cool itself. It is not fast enough. What will happen? We will get sunstroke. We may get a heat sunstroke. What is mean by sunstroke? Sometimes we become unconscious. மயக்கம் போட்டு விழுந்தடிச்சிடும். Unconscious or heat stroke brought about by excessive exposure to the sun. ரொம்ப நேரம் கடுமையான வெயில் விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தால் we will get sunstroke. அது எப்படி இருக்கலாம்? அன்கான்ஷியஸ் மயக்கம் போடலாம், or some difficulties. Here, who is very exhausted? Prashant. Prashant feeling very exhausted. For that, grandpa is saying, because we may get heat, you may get heat sunstroke. Prashant, how will I know if I am getting sunstroke? For that, Prashant is asking, how we can know we are suffering from sunstroke or we are getting sunstroke. For that, grandpa is saying, Grandpa, be sure to tell an adult if you are feeling hot, have headache, feeling giddy or nauseated. While we are playing in the sun, if you are physically very tired, you are feeling very tired, you have to inform an adult. பெரியவங்கள்கிட்ட யார்கிட்டையாவது சொல்லலாம். If you have headache, what are the symptoms of sunstroke? Feeling headache, feeling giddy. What is by giddy? Having a sensation of falling down, மயக்கம். Okay, or nauseated, வாந்தி வருத மாதிரி, ஏதாவது மயக்கம் வருத மாதிரி, ரொம்ப டயர்டாக இருந்தால் you have to inform an adult. Okay, you are also want to follow this instruction while you are before going to play in the sun. You have to apply sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before going out to avoid sunburn. If you feel very exhausted or you are feeling headache, giddiness or nauseated, you have to inform an adult. Then they can understand whether you are suffering from sunstroke. Jafar, I like to play outdoor games than indoor ones. Jafar is saying, I like to play outdoor games than indoor ones. What is outdoor game? What is indoor game? Outdoor game means you have to go outside and play. Indoor games, you are playing carom, chess and all inside the home. That is indoor. Indoor game opposite outdoor game. Can you say some example for outdoor games? Cricket, hide and seek, that and all. Okay. Grandpa, that is really nice. But the big part of going outside and playing in safe environment comes from knowing how to be street smart. Okay, some children fearing the sun, they stay indoor. What will happen? They didn't get any experience with the environment. நேச்சர் இயற்கை கூட எப்படி பழகணும் எப்படி இருக்கணும்னு அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாமல் வந்துடும். அது இல்லாமல் நம்ம அவுட்டோர் கேம்ஸ் போயால் தான் நமக்கு நல்ல ஃபிசிக்கல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் எவ்ரி திங் வில் கெட். ஸோ grandpa is saying that is really nice. Here Jafar is saying, I like to play outdoor games than indoor. Jafar likes to play outdoor games. For that grandpa saying that is really nice. But the big part of going outside and playing in the safe environment comes from knowing how to be street smart. What is meant by street smart? The knowledge to be with difficulties and dangers. அதாவது difficulties, dangers, how to face. We will get smart, street smart, how to behave smartly in the street. The knowledge to be with difficulties and whenever we are facing some difficulties or struggles only we will get courage, boldness. So grandpa is saying really we will get physical strength by going outside, then we will get if we are playing in safe environment comes from knowing how to be street smart. Okay children, you are also become street smart by playing outdoor games. Can we see that glossary? First word, scorching, verb extremely hot. Sunscreen, a cream or lotion rubbed on the skin to protect it from the sun. Exhausted, feeling tired. Sunstroke, unconscious or heat stroke brought about by excessive exposure to the sun. Giddy, giddy means adjective, having a sensation of falling down. Nauseated, it is an adjective, sickening, stomach turning. Street smart, it is also an adjective, the knowledge to be with difficulties and dangers. Here one, fill in the blanks is given. See, they had come to play under the shade of a big dash. Can you say children where they had to play? Yes, neem tree. They had come to play under the shade of a big neem tree. We should put on the dash to avoid sunburn. To avoid sunburn, what we have to apply? The sunscreen. Okay. Third one, dash is more serious health related illness, sunstroke. Fourth one, Mani's mother had instructed him not to roam in the sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Fifth one, street smart means the knowledge to be with difficulties and dangers. Okay children, did you understand the lesson? What are the things we learned today? What is scorching? What are the measures while we are going outside in the summer season while playing outdoor games? What we want to do? Before going 15 to 20 minutes we have to apply some sunscreen. Then if you are getting sunstroke, immediately you have to inform an adult. And grandpa is giving advice, if you play outside what will happen? You will get more physical strength and you become street smart. Okay children, thank you. Be safe.